Well, good morning, everybody. It's Harold from Living in the Hill Country. Today's day 3 on our landscaping project. Got a little bit of rain last night. That's fantastic. It kind of cooled everything off. Looks like it's going to clear up and be a little bit sunny today. Hopefully it won't get too hot and humid. But let's get to work on this. Get this thing done today. Kind of get you up to speed on where we were or where we are right now at the end of the second episode of doing this. We have that front area all completed and ready for the mulch and of course the paint, but that's where we are with that. Here we have the bricks laid out all the way down and mortared in all the way down to this corner. Need to continue down this area to the fence, and then we have the other side of the house, around that side of the house to the fence, just on the other side of that red mulch that's being shown. So we need to get this going. Let's get this moving. Well, okay, today's the end of day 3. I did make it around this corner of the house, and you'll notice I did decide to go with 2 layers. So it looks so much better that way, so we're good there. So let me show you where we're at. We'll start here. We have this corner finished, end of the house, so that's good. And of course we got that front there. And you saw me finish this other portion here up earlier. So at this point, what we need to do now is basically give this probably a good 24 hours to dry. It rained last night, so it got some of the mortar up there to the left of the door a little bit wet. It has to dry out again. We'll see how it looks tomorrow, but looking pretty promising as far as hitting it with hitting it with a steel brush to knock down the burrs on the border cap, and then power washing it down and then getting it spray painted. So that'd be nice to be able to get that done tomorrow. We'll see how things go. So right now we're just going to clean up everything, get everything put away, and call it a day. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments below. I'd very much appreciate it. And as always, have a wonderful day, and God bless you.